smoked creme brulee cheesecake. Y'all ready? Let's go. First, taking in 1 package of graham crackers, or 1 1/4 cup. Now adding in unsalted butter, sugar, salt, and pulse this till nice and well. Placing some parchment paper down and press firmly on all sides using a measuring cup to make sure that everything has been pressed down. Smoke at 350 degrees for 8 to 10 minutes. Now into a crème de passerie, we're going to be whisking 4 eggs, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, just like so. Very nice. From here, we're going to be taking our pan, heating up 1 1/2 cups of heavy cream. Heat this up till it's nice and simmer on low. Slowly adding in our eggs mixture just like so. Placing it in the fridge and let it cool till ready. Now into our cream cheese mixture, we're going to be taking cream cheese, room temperature, sugar, cornstarch, lemon juice, crème de passerie. Give this a nice gentle mix. Add mixture and full wrap just like so for a water bath. Smoke at 300 for a total of 3 to 2 hours until it's nice and set. Cool in fridge overnight or up to 6 hours, and slowly starting adding in our sifted white sugar right on top. We're going to be torching this till it's nice and golden brown. Very nice. And there we have it, an amazing smoked creme brulee cheesecake. As always, please do like, subscribe, follow for future recipes, and have a good day now, you hear? Bye-bye!